Brantley liftoff. Deep center field. Back goes. Goodbye. Oh, Michael Brantley puts the Indians right back in front 4-3.
Well, that didn't take long.
His 14th home run of the season. RBI number 79. Second solo homer of the night for Cleveland. And just like that, they're in front 4-3.
Well, Brantley has had great numbers against Simon. And boy, he got in on him a couple times tonight, but not this time. Brantley got back and got even. And with one swing of the bat, the Indians go back on top 4-3.